Hello everyone. If we haven't had the chance to meet yet, my name is Jim Gaskell, and I'm the principal here at the Delaware Area Career Center, and I'm honored to welcome you to our virtual open house. Each year, we look forward to having families like you to our open house to connect with our amazing teachers and students and learn more about the opportunities available here at DACC. And this year is no exception. We're excited to offer this experience to students and their families all over Delaware County in a new and virtual way. I personally cannot wait for you to experience our quality programs and academics and meet some of the most talented and dedicated educators I've had the chance to work with. Our teachers make it a priority to not only provide relevant and quality coursework for their students and industry training, but also work intentionally to mentor students in life skills and career readiness. It is our role to help students graduate with confidence and clarity, knowing exactly what their plan after high school will be and make sure they feel empowered to take that first step. It is my hope that as you explore your options and investigate the programs offered here at our school, you walk away with your questions answered. Please take advantage by asking lots of questions and learning as much as you can about the exceptional opportunities for students at our school. We are happy to be a resource for you in finding your fit at DACC. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you enjoy our virtual open house.